Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the IBELL IBL TD13-100 Impact Drill Set. This is a heavy-duty power tool. Not a heavy-duty power tool, but a power tool nonetheless. This is for personal use. This can be used at home primarily, but can be used by professionals as well. This particular set comes with 115 pieces. That's more than 100 pieces. Not just that, it works on a rated voltage of 230 volts, which you can find in almost every household. Input power is 650 watt. Basically, this particular drill has a 650 watt motor. Chuck capacity is 13 millimeter. No load speed, 0 to 2800 RPM being the highest speed. Drilling capacity is also mentioned. It's very interesting. It says that for wood it's 25 millimeter, for steel it's 12 millimeter, and for concrete it's 13 millimeter. So you will find all of these chucks inside this particular box. Not just that, it comes with a reinforced shock-proof box as well. I will show you what all of that looks like. Let me quickly take a look if we have any more information. Okay, over here it says that the net weight is 5 kilograms, which is true because this box is quite heavy. Okay, now I'll open this box and show you what's inside. This is the box that it comes with. This is the toolkit. It's a shock-proof toolkit. It has IBELL written on this side, so that's great. So now I will open this box and show you what's inside. Opening it is pretty simple. Just lift and you're good. There you go. This is the full set. Lot of accessories here. As you can see, there's an entire army of accessories. Let's go through as many of them as we can. So first up, we have a warranty card from IBELL. This is the operator's manual. It's a very important book. You should read this as many times as possible. Everything that you want to know, you will find over here. What other things we have, we'll come over here later. We have a balancing scale. That's a great addition. We have a set of hexagonal keys over here. I'll just take this out and show it to you. There you go. The set of hexagonal keys. Great addition as well. We also have a cutter. There you go. This is basically a paper cutter, but you can use it for other purposes as well. There you go. There's a cutter over here. It's all tightly fit as well. That's a great thing. So a lot of these attachments over here for different kinds of boring. So as you can see over here, this is for cement and concrete bits. This is for wood bits, and this is for steel bits. All separated and categorized, so you won't lose them anytime soon. And they're marked. They have color markings as well, so it'll be easy for you to store them when you want to. Not just that, we have 3 sets of screwdrivers. These are 2 regular ones over here, and there's a modular one over here as well. You can see you have a modular screwdriver over here as well. Come on, focus. There you go. There's a modular screwdriver over here as well. And these are all the heads for the screwdriver. There you go. This is just attachment. The heads are over here. There you can see. These are all the heads for this particular screwdriver. Okay, let's take a look on this side. Let's see what we have. This is the drill. Let me quickly show you that first. So this is the IBELL TD13-100 Impact Drill. This alone weighs around 3 kilos probably. It's pretty heavy. Has a superb shockproof body. It's made out of plastic, but this is solid plastic. You're not going to break this anytime soon. This also has a 750 watt motor inside. This is the chuck. All the attachments will go inside this, and it also comes with a pretty long cable with a 2-pin socket at one end. There you can see a 2-pin socket on one end. I'm going to leave this here and see what else is there. There's a measuring tape that comes with this box as well. We have there's a depth gauge over here. There's a box that has a lot of screws and other paraphernalias. That's a very important addition. You also have a spanner, or a wrench rather, whatever you want to call it. There you go. You have a spanner over here. You have there are 2 duct tapes over here. not duct tapes, two tape rolls. One is a PVC tape roll, the other is a polytetrafluoroethylene tape, like a doctor's tape. So two different kinds of tapes over here that you can see. And what else do we have? We have a plus for when you want to cut wires, basically a wire cutter as they call it. There you go. You also have a hammer. There you go, this is what the hammer looks like. This is also the second heaviest object in this box. And let's put this back in. You really have to push these things back in these slots because these grooves are very tight. Okay. And you have to fight a little bit. That's okay, that's a good thing. They should not be loose. Okay, we have one other attachment, which is this. This is basically an auxiliary handle. I'm going to give this drill a shot, as in I'm going to turn it on. I will connect it to a power source and give it a twirl. A roll rather. There you go. We should be good to go now. Let's go. 3, 2, 1. So there you go. This is what it feels like. By the way, this is, as I mentioned earlier, this is super heavy. Has an ergonomic handle right over here, but it's also comfortable to use as well. There you go. Okay, so another important thing, you can make it go clockwise or anti-clockwise. Right now it's going anti-clockwise because I've pressed this button over here. If I press it on the other side, it should go clockwise now. There you can see it's now going, and if you see this, there, it's now going clockwise. Initially it was going anti-clockwise, now it's going clockwise. Not just that, this trigger over here is very pressure sensitive. You can also control it to a degree, but there's a tiny dial over here that you can turn to control the sensitivity. So it depends on how much pressure you're applying at a given time. And this is it. This is what you'll find inside the box containing the IBELL TD13-100 impact drill set. Thank you for watching.